Hello guys, it's me We Wen and welcome to another BTS texts video, Doctor Patient Role Playing. BTS texts number 146. Why did I see Hobi in a doctor suit? And why Cookie is in a patient dress? Why are you surprised? Don't you know that I'm practicing meds? And since when did you go to medical school, Hobi? Many years ago. I'm actually on my last months of my studies, and the reason I'm wearing patient dress is he's practicing doctor on me. Wait, what? What are you gonna do to him? Surgery? Nope. Just a diagnostic. He's in pain and I'll help him. Diagnosis. And are you in pain, Cookie? You need to see a real doctor. I may not have a license yet, but I'm a real doctor. I studied. So this is a doctor-patient role playing? Can I join you guys? Sure, get your dress in my room. I actually need more patients. So this thing has injections injecting you? Please tell me it has. If you're brave, it has. I actually need to practice my needle injection though. I think Chim is kinda lost in translation here. This won't go well. Who cares? I think I'm loving it. As long as I'm not part of it. Any other volunteers? You in pain? I can help. I think I'd rather be in pain if you're my doctor. I'm sorry, but I doubt you. You shouldn't. But I understand because I know this news is new and a shock to you. Hobi, is this a prank? If no, where are you attending university? It doesn't matter. What matters most is this group has now a doctor. That's right. And it's not like he will do something bad at us. That's the prob. He's Hobi. Now he's saying he's practicing meds and we don't know. Fine. I know where you're coming. But after my diagram, you'll know I'm legit. Again. Diagnosis.
Later.
I quit. I don't wanna be part of it anymore. This is sinister. What's happening? I can hear your screams here at the backyard. He wants to prick my arm with syringe. He wants my blood for blood test. I thought urine. And of course I'll use syringe for blood test. Oh, it's the injections, huh? But Chim, you applied for it, right? Hobi, Chim thought it's the injection. Not our injection. What, the injection? Did I miss something in my med class? Flash news, Chimmy. This isn't the role playing you think it was. Well, I just role played with him. He's such a good doctor, I moaned. It's good to hear you liked it, my patient. Love hearing your moans. The fork is happening? What did you two do? Why, there's moaning. His diary on me says I have muscle fatigue. He massaged me and now it's okay. Diagnosis. Hobi, if you don't mind. Why are you doing this? It's for my thesis offense. I'm graduating, so they're requiring me to do this. Thesis defense. Oh my gosh, I don't want to ask more questions. Wait, so it's really legit? You're soon to be a doctor. Like what I've been telling you. You have your soon-to-be personal doctor here, and his diagnosis for Cookie is correct too. Wow, this is mind-blowing. Well, let's see if you'll be the best doctor. I want you to check on me too. Oh, that's good to hear. More patients mean doctor is happy. Charging. I will take Junie and Jooms with me. Since we have the same problem. I have a problem? Excuse me? But I'm already perfect. You forgot we now have something from what we did last night. It sounds urgent. But I need to take a break first before attending to you.
A few moments later.
Okay, doctor is in. Tell me. What is the problem with you three? No, you tell us what's our problem. We'll pretend we don't know yet, right? You're the doctor. Ask us, we'll answer you and give us your diagnosis. Fine. Do not challenge me. You will embarrass yourself. Let's do this. Doctor, our throats are itchy and it's hard to swallow. Ooh, what did you do last night for your throats to be like that? Nothing. It's what they want me to believe cause they want me to give wrong diarrhea. Diagnosis. We're telling the truth. We also have coughs and runny nose. You have seasonal allergies. Just take some meds. This is easy. Maybe it's cause of temperature and not some pollen or molds. Last night was cold. I am the doctor here and you're not. I'm the truth and you're the fake news. He's just giving suggestion, doctor. I think you should ask more questions. Facts. A doctor needs to ask more. You can't give diagnosis after one answer. Ask for more possible questions. This is like an investigation. I know that. I'm just trying you if you know that thing. We don't believe you. Doctors won't do that in case of emergency. Doctors do jokes too. To make their patient at ease. That's Doctorology 101. We still don't believe you. Just give us your diagnosis to them. Fine. So you three went outside last night without coats or something? Nope. We didn't. It was snowing hard last night. Yoongi Young wouldn't dare. The cake of snow will drown him. Hee hee. You told me you're together. In a room. You didn't turn on your heater. We turned it on. We were so warm last night. Okay, so my biggest guess is you ate ice cream last night. Yes, we did. We found a gallon of it in Jin's mini fridge. That's it. You got cold cause of ice cream. Now you have inflamed throat and coughs. Bravo. You're so good. Your diagnosis is on point. It's common sense. But yeah, I agree now you're a legit doctor. I haven't said my diameter yet. My findings is stupidity. Okay, I take back what I said. How come they're stupid and you can't say that to your patient? I think that's Doctorology 102. They know it's cold and colder at night. And yet they ate ice cream. Maybe we're craving? Plus, you can't be that bad-mouthed to patients. You'll be curing your pockets instead of patients cause of their lawsuits. The doctors need to be honest. Patients need to learn. We know. But at least pick a right word. You can't be doctor with that attitude. I'm sorry but I have to agree with the doctor. He's right. See? Even my assistant agrees that I am right. Wait. I'm your assistant? Since when? Yes you are. And just now. Unless you don't want to. Of course I want it. It's my dream. You are hired. Congratulations.
5 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, help me. I fell from the stairs. I hurt my wrist. Oh no. I'm gonna call an ambulance. Stay put. Do you feel any other pain? Did you hit your head? Nope. Just my wrist. I heard a loud crack. You don't need to call an ambulance. You forgot about me. Don't worry, we'll take care of you. Let me guide you in your room. After your last diagnosis? No way. I need a real doctor. Maybe he could give you first aid while waiting for an ambulance. Besides, his diagnosis earlier is on point. He's brutal but on point. Correct. Doc, what should I do first? Put a cold compress to his wrist, then give me my chainsaw. A chainsaw? For what? I need to perform amputation surgery on him. Amputation? I broke my wrist. It's just a dislocation. Hobi, please tell me you're kidding. I am not. And who told you I'll amputate your wrist? Then what are you going to cut? His legs. His legs are the reason he fell. Stupid legs. Kara. Just saw Kooks giving the chainsaw to him. Cookie. Why did you give it to him? I'm his assistant. I do what he tells me to do. Cookie, get him for me. Give him sedation. No. Don't go near me. Somebody call a police. He ran. And I don't know what sedation is. We need to protect Youngs. I think Hobi has Doctor Disease Syndrome. Is that a diagnosis? So are you a doctor now? Jin is right. I investigate and Hobi ain't enrolled in any university worldwide. Cookie. I need the patient now. Cookie, don't listen to him. You should run to Lycus. But I can't afford to lose my job. Pouts. There's no real job here. Wake up. That's it. We need to wake Hobi up. But how? We can't go near him. Doctor is fully awake. Doctor is ready to treat you. I'm sorry Hobi, but I need to do this. Guys? Where are you? And why am I holding a chainsaw? He's back. Huh? What do you mean I'm back? Dr. Hobi, you fool. Why are you calling me a doctor? He really is back. My legs. Thank you, Junie. The fork is happening.
The end.